Hi and welcome to Zoho Analytics video demo. Are slow-loading reports and dashboards affecting your analysis? Concerned about rising storage costs from historical data you rarely access but still need to retain? In this video, you'll learn how to archive data and free up storage, improve report performance, and keep historical records accessible whenever needed. Archive data in Zoho Analytics helps you move historical or infrequently used data out of the active analytical environment, while still keeping it accessible for future reference whenever needed. Archiving data in Zoho Analytics involves 4 key steps: defining archive conditions, scheduling archive, retain archive data criteria, notifications. Now let's see how to archive the transactional records. Access transactional sales tables and click More on the toolbar. Choose Archive Data from the drop-down menu. Define the rules that determine which records should be archived. Click the drop-down icon to choose the date column and select the operator as previous month. Scheduled archiving allows you to automatically move outdated or inactive records at regular intervals without manual intervention. You can configure the archive process to run weekly, monthly, or yearly. Select the schedule interval and configure other related settings for the selected time period. Retain archive data helps you control how long archived records should be stored. You can choose to retain archived data for a specific time period, such as 3 or 6 months from the date of archiving. Alternatively, you can retain only the latest set of archives, helping optimize storage while ensuring important historical data remains accessible when needed. Finally, configure notifications to inform account admins and workspace admins whenever an archive action is completed. Once you have configured the settings, click Save. Centrally manage all configured archive schedules within the workspace. Click the Settings icon from the side navigation panel and select Manage Data Archives. Here, all configured archive schedules are listed, along with details such as the table name, last schedule run, next scheduled run, and the number of rows archived. Click the Edit icon to modify an existing archive configuration whenever needed. The History tab within Archive Settings provides a detailed archive history for the past 2 years, helping you track previously executed archive operations. That's how you can efficiently archive and manage historical data in Zoho Analytics. Thank you for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.